Welcome to Jelmar. You know, Jelmar, the people behind
CLR.
Trust CLR.
CLR top.
Wait, we need to back it up. The year was 1967. After 20 years of success with products like the Hair Whiz, a tenacious salesman named Manny Gutterman was about to change the way folks clean forever. Enlisting his sons Stephen and Arthur, they took on the challenge of selling a warehouse full of a liquid metal cleaner.
Now there's an amazing product called Tarn-X.
Like that, Jelmar was born, and Tarn-X quickly became the #1 selling metal cleaner in the US. How, you ask? You know that as seen on TV thing?
That was us.
Fast forward to the 1980s, and another big idea from Jelmar.
Introducing CLR.
CLR was a first-of-its-kind, multi-use cleaner formulated to make quick work of even the most stubborn stains.
CLR stands for calcium, lime, and rust remover.
It's a patented formula that's safe as it is effective. The secret is lactic acid.
Fun fact, lactic acid occurs naturally in the pickle-making process.
Since the original CLR, over 30 specialized cleaning products have been created by our dedicated and knowledgeable team.
Carpet stain, stainless.
How long have you been working here?
Long time.
We've won a few awards along the way.
Well, not to brag.
Including the EPA's Safer Choice Program Award year after year.
Maybe a little bragging.
Today, a third-generation Gutterman is at the helm, continuing our vision of creating the most innovative cleaning solutions on the planet.
My father always used to say, don't be afraid to fail, because if you don't fail, you'll never know what success feels like.
All the magic is produced locally in Illinois and shipped almost everywhere. What's next for Jelmar? Well, there's never a mess we couldn't unmess. So we'll keep formulating amazing products that help people clean quickly and safely. Jelmar, living clean today, protecting generations tomorrow.